Hello guys, welcome back to another Sydney aviation video. I'm here at Earlwood for part 4, just going to be recording some planes taking off overhead, as well as a couple of kilometres in the distance. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy. That was a nice and low, a Villains Canada -8 Q300 Qualin Sync taking off from Sydney to Wagga Wagga, QF 2221, and the time is 6:45 AM. Literally straight after that Q300, there was a A320-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Hobart, JQ 7122, and the time is 6:47 AM. The first plane was a A330-303 Qantas Airlines coming into land from Tokyo to Sydney, QF21, and that was a Beach B200C Royal Funk Docker service taking off from Sydney to Dubbo, AM 271, and the time is 6:59 AM. That was a A320-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Adelaide, JQ 760, and the time is 7 o'clock AM. Here we've got a Villains Canada -8 Q300 Qantas Link taking off from Sydney to Albury, QF 2205, and the time is 7:15 AM. We now got a Boeing 717.2K9 QantasLink Airlines taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 1501, and the time is 7:45 am. Just after that QantasLink, we now got a Boeing 737.838 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Adelaide, QF 731, and the time is 7:47 am. Sorry for the late recording on that departure, but anyway, that was a SAAB 340BX Regional Express Airlines taking off from Sydney to Orange, ZL 164, and the time is 7:54 am. Here we have got a Boeing 737.8FE Virgin Australia Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, VA 824, and the time is 9:05 am. Here we've got a A330-303 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, QF 7598, and the time is 9:15 am. Here we've got a Boeing 717.2BL QantasLink Airlines taking off from Sydney to Hobart, QF 1583, and the time is 9:45 am. Here we've got a Havillans Canada-8Q300 Qantas link taking off from Sydney to Albury, QF 2203, and the time is 4:41 p.m. Now I've got a Havillans Canada-8Q400 Qantas link taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 445, and the time is 4:50 p.m.